Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play Brawlhalla offline. Brawlhalla is an exciting free-to-play fighting game available on PC, consoles and mobile devices. You can also enjoy offline gameplay against AI bots for Brawlhalla. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps. First of all, launch open Brawlhalla on your device. From the main home screen of Brawlhalla, which looks like this, go to the left hand side and look for the offline play button and tap on it. On the next page, select whether you'd like to play a local offline game with friends, training, tournament or tutorials. Select the mode and then choose your player you'd like to play with. After you are done, click on the tick mark on the right corner and then you'll be ready for the battle. Now click on the battle icon at the bottom right and select a map. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to play the game offline. So there you have it. That is how you can play Brawlhalla offline in just a few simple steps. Playing offline in Brawlhalla is a great way to improve your skills, experiment with legends or enjoy the game without an internet connection. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.